Go.
So, yeah. Good everyone, I just finished a wiring now, like a house installation now. So this is actually a mosquito, so I just want to test, show you around the house how we did it and just to test it. So this is a changeover right here. So this is a distribution board. So when I on this now, it's everywhere. It's working. So this is the hall. Like this, so this is the reception. This is the reception where the nurses will be staying. So these are the bulbs. You see that the bulbs are working perfectly. So this is the switch controlling the other side over here. So this is the switch controlling this place. You see the switch right here. So this is the switch controlling this place. Then this is the switch controlling that other side. So you see that it's working perfectly. And also, so that's the switch controlling this the switch over there. You see that it's working perfectly. So it's working perfectly now. So let's just check. Let's just go around the hall. So this is the male ward. This is the male ward. This is everywhere is well illuminated. So this is the male ward. So these are the bulbs, and this is the bulb. You see that it's working perfectly. So we actually have like 4 bulbs here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So working perfectly. And these are the sockets. This is the socket. See that the socket is working. It's working perfectly. So the indicator is working perfectly. You see? It's working perfectly. So let me say I actually plug here. It's working perfectly. Then another socket is also here. By the door. Behind the door, yes. Another socket is also here. So let's go, let's check the bedroom. So this is the bedroom. So this is actually the bedroom. This is like it's working perfectly. This is the one controlling this bulb. It's working perfectly. So this is the toilet. This is the switch for the toilet, working perfectly. And this is a bed. So this is a bed. So this is the switch working for the bed. So it's working perfectly. So let's now check. So this all we actually have some sockets here. And they're actually working perfectly. So this is the milk. This is the nurse office. So these are the nurse office. You see that it's working perfectly. So this is the nurse office. So there is one socket behind the chair there. Then after that, so this place, this is the reception. This is the section where they will be attending to clients. And these are the sockets. I actually have 2 sockets here. Double sockets here. Then a single socket right here. So let's go to doctor's office. Let's go to doctor's office. Doctor's office, doctor's office. This is the doctor's office. This is the doctor's office. It has a socket, it has then this is the switch. That is working perfectly. We have 2 bulbs here. Working perfectly, and this is going to be the last. This is going to be the last room. Now we check it. We have 4 bulbs here also. 4 bulbs. So that is actually working perfectly. And let's just go outside. So let me just show you the after view of the hospital. So these are the security lamps. These are the security lamps. Let me try and on it from this side. So these are the security. Okay, perfect. So this is where we have the distribution, the meter board. So this is actually a 2-phase. We have 2 security lamps here. So working perfectly. So let's go to the main elevation of the building. So let's just check the main elevation of the building. So now, so this is the elevation. We have a bulb here. Electrical installation, kindly trust us and we promise to give you an interesting and a reliable electrical installation. installation job. So this is a building in the city of Ibadan, Monia area in the city of Ibadan, Oyo State, southwest Nigeria, and it's just a primary health center. So like they wrote it up there. So it's a primary health center. So for the convenience and everything, it's working perfectly. So trust us with your electrical installation. I will promise